सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे गुलाम मेरे तू बख्शिश कर। तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे गुलाम मेरे तू बख्शिश कर।
That is prompted by the international labor movement and occurs every year on 1st May.
It has originated from the United States labor union movement in 19th century, particularly 8 hours movement, which advocate 8 hours work per day.
This day was first celebrated in Chicago on May 1886 as International Workers' Day. In India, it was observed in Chennai on May 1923 by Labour Kisan Party. From then onwards, it is celebrated on 1st May every year all across the country.
International Labour's Day commemorates the historic struggles and gains made by the workers. The labour movement is observed in many countries on May 1.
And Canada, the similar observance known as Labour Day occurs on the first Monday of September.
In Hindi, Labour Day is known as कामगार दिन और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस, कामगार दिवस in Marathi and Uje Palanal in Tamil.
During the era of industrialization, the US industrialists exploited the working class by making them work 15 hours a day.
It was only on May 1886 that the labour class come together and revolted against the unjust system and asked for paid leaves, good wages and proper breaks. This is the reason why May Day is celebrated every year.
The event of May 1886 is a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives.
Mahatma Gandhi believed that man who doesn't work has no right to eat.
We have to understand the value of laborers ranging from health workers to store workers, farmers to pharmacists, bakers to delivery staff, barbers to waiter and waitresses, domestic workers to taxi drivers, because without them we are nothing.
Last but not the least, we would like to pay gratitude towards each employee of our school, be it from cleaning, teaching, security or administration department who work arduously for betterment of our future.
जो अपनी मेहनत से मिट्टी को भी सोना बना दे, उस व्यक्ति का क्या कहना? जो खुद बेघर रहकर हमारा घर बना दे, उस परिश्रमी का क्या कहना? उस परिश्रमी का क्या कहना? Now I would like to invite some students of our class for an English skit.
Continuation of those who works towards prosperity and economic growth of the nation.
In 19th century, working condition of the workers was severe and the working hours were 16 to 18 hours a day with lower amount of wages. They did not have sufficient money to feed their families and to educate their children.
Working for so many hours caused overburden, which was resulting as stress. Masters were also so cruel, that's why many mishappenings were taking place.
Sir, I work for you day in and day out. Please give me my salary.
No, I won't give you a salary.
Sir, I have worked for an entire year and haven't got salary for my work.
No, not yet. Don't ask for salaries and do your job.
Hey, get up! Get up! What happened? He has hurt himself.
Hey, what happened? Why isn't he getting up? Is he alright? Oh Lord!
He was tired and didn't have food. He has been working in the scorching sun for the past 2 days.
Please bring some water.
Let's take him to our master.
Master, look what has happened.
What happened? Oh, he has lost his hand. I am not responsible for that. He should have been careful. Master, you first take him to hospital. Let me talk.
And life at the workplace. Yesterday my friend was working in a cosmetic factory and lost his
Workplace. Yesterday my friend was working in a cosmetic factory and lost his eyes. His master did the same. It's enough. We won't handle this anymore. Let's protest for...
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want our rights. We want our rights. We want justice. Agitated with the behavior of your master and then fought for their rights. Protest started. They participated in signature campaigns and organized rallies. Suddenly, May 1886, a strike was followed by a work in Chicago, Haymarket Square. In class, 100 people were injured.
Many people were killed only because they were fighting for their rights. And the day was saved as Workers' Day.
Oh God, those workers really suffered a lot.
Yes, but now
Workers are not that much ignorant or uneducated people who don't know about their rights and can't be suppressed easily. We have a lot of work to do. Do your work fast. Keep doing your work.
Our time is over.
So what? You couldn't go leaving the work in between. You have to stay back.
We can't stay back as we are tired now and it's against the rules.
What rules? I don't know any rules. If you do not know the rule, let me tell the same. According to the Labour Act, a labor cannot work. According to the Labour Act 1948, a labor cannot work more than 48 hours in a week and 9 hours in a day. Fine, then go home. Put your thumb impression here. will not put my thumb here. I can sign.
Ha ha ha, you can sign?
Certainly, I can.
Fine, then sign here.
What are you hiding? I want to see. Where are you taking our signs? Oh, it's 1500 written here, but you are giving us only 500. That means you are misleading us.
So what?
That's cheating. See, it's 1500 written here, but he was giving us only 500.
How can you do this to us? That's a cheating.
So what can you do?
We will file a complaint against you.
I will discharge you from your work right now and hire somebody else.
You can't do that. You have to give 1 month prior notice.
There are some laws which are meant to provide equal opportunity and pay and also take care of each employee physical and mental well-being.
I am sorry for what I have done to you. From now, I will take care properly of your health, safety and wages of my workers.
If we workers will not fight for ourselves,
Else, no one is going to help us.
For that, we have to be educated.
After this, Master decided to build a school for the children of laborers and a hospital near the construction sites.
Change the world because music can change the people. Now I would like to invite some students of our class to sing a Hindi song.
like to call Purvi of our class for reciting a Hindi poem.
हूँ मजबूर नहीं, ये कहने में मुझे शर्म नहीं, अपने पसीने की खाता हूँ। जी हाँ मैं मिट्टी को सोना बनाता हूँ, जी हाँ मैं मिट्टी को सोना बनाता हूँ। हर कोई यहाँ मजदूर है, चाहे पहने सूट बूट या मैला, मेहनत करके कमाता है, कोई सैंकड़ा या ढेला, हर कोई मजदूरी कहलाता है। जिसके कंधों पर बोझ पड़ा वे भारत माँ का बेटा कौन, जिसने पसीने से भूमि को सींचा वे भारत माँ का बेटा कौन। एक कण ही सही लेकिन है अनमोल, मजदूरी कहलाता है, मजदूरी कहलाता है। सफलता के मार्ग में अनमोल है, चाहे हो मालिक या मजदूर, कोई इकाई तुच्छ नहीं, सबका अपना मान है। कहने को एक छोटा मजदूरी सही, कहने को एक छोटा मजदूरी सही, पर उसी को रास्ते का ज्ञान है। घमंड मत करना ऊंचाई पर कभी, क्योंकि तेरे कंधों पर इनके पसीने का भार है, क्योंकि तेरे कंधों पर इनके पसीने।
I would like to invite Sahiba of our class for an English poem.
People work, people play. People work, people play. That's why we have Labor Day. Plumbers, baker, painter, vets. Fisherman with giant nets. Plumbers, baker, painter, vets. Fisherman with giant nets. Firefighter, engineer, barber, slipping with their shears. Teacher, waiter, nurses, cook, author writing thrilling books. Teacher, waiter, nurses, cook, author writing thrilling books. Carpenter and deputies, people who take care of these. No matter what it is you do, there's one thing that's always true. There's one thing that's always true. Every worker need to rest. I hope your Labor Day is the best. Every worker need to rest. I hope your Labor Day is the best. Working hard is what we do. Working hard is what we do. We work all day until we work through. We work so hard, we need a day to sleep and relax, to eat and play. To sleep and relax, to eat and play.
Music can change the international language. Now I would like to invite Prerak of our class for instrumental performance.
Therapy that brings you back to the person who you are. Now some girls of our class are going to present a classical dance.
W for the group dance.
मेहनत हमारा जीवन, हमारा जीवन, मेहनत हमारा नारा, हमारा नारा, मेहनत से जगमगा लो तकदीर का सितारा। मेहनत हमारा जीवन, मेहनत हमारा नारा, मेहनत से जगमगा लो तकदीर का सितारा। मेहनत हमारा जीवन, मेहनत हमारा जीवन, जितनी करोगे मेहनत उसका फल मिलेगा। निखरेगा देश अपना, आगे कभी बढ़ेगा, आगे कभी बढ़ेगा। होगा न कोई धोखा होगा, अभी नजारा मेहनत से जगमगा लो तकदीर का सितारा। मेहनत हमारा जीवन, मेहनत हमारा नारा,
कई वक्त ये जीते हैं, न लालच ज्यादा पाने की, थोड़े में ही खुश होते हैं। हिम्मत, लगन और मेहनत से हर सपने पूरे करते हैं। मेहनत कश लोगों से सीखो, हर परिस्थिति में कैसे जीते हैं।